who is going to help us, and what can founders and employees out there do to help improve the culture of technology and its impact on society?
Yeah, I think we in technology can have an enormous impact. I mean, for whatever our different reasons, we've all taken the time to develop these extremely rare skills that now put us in the 0.001% of people in the world who are able to have an impact on this core fundamental technological infrastructure that influences millions and sometimes billions of people. That is a huge opportunity, but also a huge responsibility. And so I think the question that we all need to be asking ourselves is, what does the world actually need? I think that as tech workers, we often systematically underestimate the impacts that our individual decisions are able to have. So, for example, even if you're a computer science grad straight out of college, where you go choose to work is you basically voting with a huge amount of your time and your effort on what mission you want to accelerate. And obviously, we all have to make a living, but you could go make a living by building software that is addictive and wastes people's time. Or you could go work at a company like Coursera that is helping bring education to more people all over the world. Or you could go work at a company like Tesla that's helping accelerate our movement toward clean, sustainable energy, which we desperately need. Or at a company like Nima, which is helping to bring financial services to people who don't have access to banking. And so I think that fundamentally what we need is a new definition of success, a new code of ethics, or as I like to call it, an ethics of code, where we move from looking at for a website, how much time do people spend on that website, to figuring out how much time is well spent. Instead of celebrating companies based on who has the biggest market cap, who's pulling in their most revenue, celebrating companies based on who's having the most positive impact on the world, who's drawing down the most carbon from the atmosphere, who's educating the most people. And so at Asana, while we're proud of the business success that we've had, for us, that's really the means toward an end. That's the rocket fuel that we use in order to be able to achieve our mission. And the metrics that I'm more interested in are things like the fact that companies are able to move 45% faster with Asana, or the fact that 80% of companies say that they experience more clarity and transparency and accountability because of Asana. That's the things I look at more than profit to see that we're succeeding in our mission.